My beautiful viewers. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this channel, Vicky the Guider. And I again came on this channel after a long time because I was busy in some work. That's why I couldn't uh, give more time on this channel. Now I finally decided to maintain the continuity over it, and I'll help as much as I can to those who are you need to improve their English speaking skills and other skills as well. Because as I learn, I try to share with you guys. So don't worry, I came, and now I have come on this channel and maintain the continuity on this channel. So I would say today I'll tell you the most five valuable English speaking tips uh, for English speakers who are beginner at this stage. So first one is speaking every day. Actually, uh, this is very simple thing, and you must uh, think that if you want to improve your English, if you want to speak English fluently, so this should be your priority to speak first and practice every day. How you can practice? Now we are living in this world where this language or any language has become much more easier than the traditional methods. Now we have YouTube to know tips and tricks. There are, I would say, popular English faculty teaching on YouTube free of cost. And there are so many applications where you can start talking, and there is no anyone to judge whether you're speaking wrong or right. I'll tell you some free applications and some other applications where you can start practicing over there, audio or video, but I would say go for video at the initial stage. I'll tell you later. So speak every day. If you can practice this language with your friend for 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes a day, that's too good. But you have to speak. But if you think you have no one around you who you can speak this language with. Second, so another uh, option you have, that is journalizing, writing every day about the things going on in your daily life. Suppose you are a banker, suppose you are a school going student or college going student. So what you can do, that you can write like this, that hi, good morning, my name is this, today I'm going to this college, or I went to this college, uh, i I made a friend. First, I thought that I will attend this teacher's class, but this or that teacher couldn't come due to some reason. That's why I I attended this teacher's class. And then after the class completion, or during the break, I went to drink water, or I started playing, or there was a guy uh, who was very shy, and I found tremendous improvement in him, and he was speaking very confidently in front of the whole class. And met another friend, or one of my friend was sick, and like these things you can start writing. Don't think that is good writing or bad writing. You have just written, that's okay. And after doing this, what you can do, that just close your eyes, feel calm. Just take 5 to 10 deep breathe in and out, inhale and exhale. Feel relaxed, sit comfortably, and whatever you have written it down, you just speak, not in front of any person, but just speak whatever it is. If it is your wall, if it is this camera, if it is whatever it is, I would say, just speak that today I got up at this time, I went to college, I did this, I did that. Like this, you can start speaking. So you can make your daily journal and speak like that, and this is how you can improve your English. This is the, I would say, very easiest method you can adopt or you can follow at the beginning stage for 15 to 20 minutes, or yeah, 15 minutes I would say. If you're following this for a month, that's also enough. And as I told you that now I have come on this channel, so I'll definitely guide you about this every day actually. And another, I would say that when you are journalizing, or when you are speaking with anyone, um, or or you are just simply speaking, so use simple sentences. Use very simple sentences, simple past, simple present. Like this, you can, not you can, but you have to speak simple sentences at the beginning stage, and you don't have to try hard vocab, hard uh, any sentences, but use very simple sentences, right, at the beginning stage. This is the third thing I said, that use simple sentences. And another, I I would recommend that only speaking is not beneficial, but after or before speaking, you should listen first. You should listen or watch any YouTube videos. There are, I would say, billions of videos free of cost available over there. You just simply listen to them, observe them. If you're finding any new words, you repeat and listen and repeat. I would say this is very simple tip I can suggest you, that listen and repeat. Suppose you are watching any cartoon or animated videos. So if they're speaking, pause it and speak. Pause it and why you should speak? Because you'll improve your pronunciation while speaking, right? While listening to that how they are speaking, and your voice will also improve for this language. And fifth fifth one is very important, that is, don't fear mistakes. The fear of making mistakes, dear. I know ego comes first before speaking, but you have to keep this ego, you have to keep this hesitation, you have to keep your when you're feeling demoralized or feeling low before speaking, because these are the things this usually happens. So don't fear making mistakes. I was also a beginner. I'm Indian, and I I faced this issue. That's why I'm telling you this will happen, but this won't happen. I think you got my point. This happens, but this won't happen. Why this happens? Because you have not started yet. And this won't happen. Why this won't happen? Because when you start practicing, when you start daily speaking, this won't happen. This is happening, but this won't happen. Trust me and try this. If you have, and that's it for now, and if you have any query or question, you can simply ask me. My number is in the description box, and I have a Telegram group where you can make your friendship over there and you can start speaking. Or if you have any query or need any help, please contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. Thank you so much. See you in the another video. Thank you so much. And yeah, one more thing. As I told you that I have not maintained continuity, so that 710 subscribers right now I have in this channel as I'm uploading. So I urge you to spread this channel with your colleagues and friends and family members who could really watch this, or who can get anything. Like if you think this channel help you anyway improve your English speaking skills, so you should share this, subscribe, and like this channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.